Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in Five Below, so I'm going to show you what we have in my local store. So first up, they had this pajama table and they had these like cozy furry PJs. These here were a little bit thinner with like the ankle that's a little bit tighter at the bottom. But I do like the furry ones. Here they had the ones with the cats. So here on the side I'm carrying an outfit, and that's what the outfit looked like on my daughter. They're flare pants, and I just didn't get a chance to show that. So on the other side of the table, they had some flannel shorts. They had all these colors here. These are really cute for Christmas time. And then those are the colors. And then here they had, I believe, flannel pants, or they might have been capris. So here on the table, right across it, they had this eraser computer pad. I guess you put your keyboard in there and then you can write like your notes that you have for the day. They had some sketch art books there. This little thing that you can put like on your fridge as a to-do list. They have acrylic glow paints, a pack of 12 illustration markers, and then a pack of 30 watercolor paints. My kids are loving paints. My mom has been sending them a bunch of packs. Okay, so here we had a dry erase board monthly calendar, and then they had some chalkboards here. Okay, so here in this back wall, they still had Halloween and fall festive items. They had this little luxury blanket there. Then they have a paper lantern that you could use like on a side table. And then we have some candles here. They have like the boho rainbow style going on. Spiced apple cider, wild citrus. They smell really good too. And then sage woods. Okay, so now here they had larger glass jar candles, and they had some really cute prints here. They had this mushroom look that's been very trendy. The boho rainbow, some pumpkins here. And here they had a little pet section, so it's still kind of fall inspired, Halloween. Really cute for the pets. Hello pumpkin, pumpkin spice. So they had really cute slippers here. These cheetah, the furry style that's really in right now. So you'll find a bunch of fuzzy hats in this section, some beanies, this UGG style slipper. So now I'm looking at the jewelry, and this caught my eye. It says kindness is magic. It's a large card with a bunch of earrings that are really cute, and it has that text that a lot of the kids are loving right now. This one's all you need is love. So these are great packs to put like in stockings, and yeah, this is really trendy for the teens. And then we have some more earrings here, earring packs. They have these friendship bracelets that are really cute. My daughter makes these right now at home by herself, but those are very trendy on Etsy. Here they had a little foot spa for kids. That'd be really cute for Christmas. They have a bunch of arts and crafts that I'm loving right now. They have this kawaii set that's very popular with the little kids. Drawing books. Of course, they have doodling books and all the little recipe books, educational books for the kids. So here I made my way back to the front of the store. I wanted to see what they had. They had these water bottles here, and they had the little cute straw going on to match. They had, I guess, 4th of July things still left over. And then here they have some yard toys for the kids, and then some pool floaties that you can find, and they are now on sale for 50% off. Then they have this little gift set that I showed a little bit earlier. That'd be cute for Christmas. And then some more kids' toys. These are always cute for the little ones. And then they have little stuffed animals. So these are not the Squishmallows, but they are cute little stuffed animals. Okay, so in the next wheelbarrow, we had a little bit of Halloween going on here. Then we had this 50 by 60 blanket. That's a really good size for a $5 blanket. Then we have some slime. And then we had this little map carpet that I really like. This is really popular on Etsy right now. And let me tell you, on Etsy, they go for like 60 bucks. So for $5 for that, that's really cute. So now we have the gift sets here. I wanted to show you what they have. I guess that would be for men. Then they have the ones for the kids. They have the ones for the teen girls. Really cute. And then the JoJo Siwa gift set. And then more gift sets here. They have the little bath and body lotions. Really cute. A lot of lotions that you get in this pack. And this one here had like body spray lotions and creams. Okay, so now we're in the home decor section, and I'm just giving you like an overview. Here we have some wall decor mirrors, and then we have the photo grids. You could stick like photos in there. Here they had a metal and glass planter. They had the rope wall decor that you could stack. And then here's what the home decor looks like. And then I found this, and it was a vanity string lights. I thought that was super cute. I hadn't seen that before. And then here they have some more glowing lights for the rooms. And then here they had some metal rainbow string lights, so you could actually hang that around your room or wherever you wanted to put it. And then here's a metal butterfly version of it that's gold. And then here's just like an overview of the other lights and stuff they had. So here they had this basket. I love to stock up on baskets, and here I actually show how I use the baskets. I'll put like a candle, some flowers, and kind of make it a centerpiece. Here is the rugs that they had for, they could be outside or in a room. 24 by 36. Definitely look for the 50 by 60. Those are pretty big. And then here they have some festive Christmas planters that you could use in your home decor. Okay, so here I am looking at all the mugs that they had available. So these were really cute astrology ones. I'm loving the colors. And then of course they have the positive affirmations. And then they had mine, which was Leo, cute in pink. And then that's just an overview of the rest of them. And then here they have these large 24-ounce tumblers. I've been seeing these all over TikTok. I guess you can find them at Target, Walmart. I'm loving the matte black one. So if you're a fan of Hello Kitty, that you can definitely find it here at Five Below. My daughter's obsessed with Hello Kitty, so we like to check out what they have there. These look like the hydro jugs, so those are really cute. And then they had some 24-ounce tumblers here. That looks like cute for coworkers and friends. And then here I am looking at the Christmas cookies that they have here. They're starting to put like Christmas gifts and things like that. And then I'm loving this set. It's like an advent calendar, perfect for Christmas time. I definitely want to get this for my daughter. It's 12 days of spa, and she'll love to open that. And then here, lastly, guys, I'm just looking at the tech stuff, and they had these command centers that I thought would be really cute for like kitchen or living room. They have the calendars that are dry erase board or the chalk ones. And then I like this one because it had the key holder. So just in case you don't want to lose your keys, you can always use that. Okay guys, so that was my Five Below video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys liked. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks. Bye.